Hi, in this video I'll show you how you can track Hubspot form with Google Tag Manager and send the form submission event to GA4. And Hubspot form is an iframe form, and usually Hubspot iframe form is quite difficult to track. You can easily identify if a form is iframe or not by double click on it, right click on it on the form, and you will see two options if this is an iframe. One is reload frame and another is view frame source, and these two options only you will see for iframe type form. So this form, let's submit this form and let's see what happens. So let's fill up the form. Okay, our form has submitted successfully. So let's see, we are in the preview mode in the GTM. Our GTM is connected with our website, and there is another topic. I'll not talk about this, maybe later in another video. But here you will see that after submitting this form, there is an event has pushed here, Hubspot submitted. In this event, you will have all the user data for enhanced conversion tracking and the event here, and also the form ID. So this data only you will get if you have a listener code for Hubspot form. So I have already fired this. I've already set up this listener code here in the tag section. This Hubspot form listener code, you can see this one is listening whenever the form is submitted, and it is capturing all the user data and pushing it in the data layer. So to track this, you need to create a trigger on this event. And if you want to send a value, normally you don't you send user data to GA4, but this user data will be very helpful for enhanced conversion tracking or to send any data to any ad platform like Google Ads, Facebook Ads. So at this in this video, I'll show you how you can send this form ID with the event to GA4. So to send this, at first you need to create a data layer variable with this form ID. So to create a variable, just double click on the form ID and copy it, and go back to your GTM and the variable section and create a new variable. It will be a data layer type variable. So we are in the variable type, and go to just scroll down, you'll see the user defined variable section, and click on the new, and click on the center again, and just scroll down and select this data layer variable type and paste that you copied here in the blank box. Now save the variable. You can give it any name you like, but I will give this one. Okay. After saving the data layer variable, you need to create a trigger. That trigger, whenever the form will fill up, this event will be pushed, and your tag will fire on this event. So just to create a trigger, just copy it and go back to your Google Tag Manager in the trigger section and create a new trigger. To create this, click on here and click on the middle and scroll down a bit, and you will see under the other section this custom event type trigger. Just select it and paste the event name. Okay, now save this trigger. You can give it any name you like. I will give this and call it a trigger. Okay, save this trigger. And now after creating a new trigger for this form submission, I will create a tag. You need to create a new tag for to send in the form submission event to GA4. But to send any event to GA4, you need to create a Google tag for GA4. So to create a Google tag for GA4, you need to go to click on at first click on new tag configuration and go to Google Analytics section. And if at first you need to select Google tag, this tag type. Now here you need to paste your GA4 measurement ID. To get the measurement ID, you need to go to your Google Analytics and click on the admin section, and under the data collection and modification, select data stream, and in the data stream select this one again, and here you will get measurement ID. So grab this measurement ID, copy it, and go back to your Google Tag Manager. Here you need to paste the tag ID, measurement ID, in the tag ID field. Everything is good to go. Now save it and call it a Google tag. So I'll not create it again. I've already created before. You will see this one and fire it in initialization all page. So first step is done. Next you need to create another event. This is the main tag for sending any event to GA4. So to create another tag, just click on it, click on the tag configuration, and again go to Google Analytics. Now this time we'll not select Google tag, we'll select Google Analytics GA4 event. Now here in the measurement ID box, you need to paste your GA4 measurement ID again. After pasting it, you will see that our Google tag is found that we created earlier. It will give you a checkbox. If your Google tag is not created, it will give you a cross error. Okay, so here as an event name, you can give it any event you want, but for this scenario I will give it as it is. Here it has, just copy it and paste it here. Okay, just maintain GA4 naming convention. Don't use any capital letters or any space. Okay, instead of space, just put underscore, and everything should be small letters. So you can send additional information as the event parameter with this event. So we have earlier we created form ID. So we'll add this. So just to add any parameter, just click add parameter and give it a name like form that you want to see in your GA4. And as in the value section, just add the variable we created, data layer variable form ID. So to select it, you can either type 2 curly bracket and type form, and then you will see the form ID. Or you can click on this icon, and here you can search your variable form ID. Okay, so this one. So select this form ID, and you need to fire this tag on the trigger we created. So let's select this trigger option. Okay, this one we have created for this HubSpot form submission. Just select it, and that's it. Just save the tag, give it a name, give this tag a name. We call it this way. Okay, so now save it. Our work is done. Now we'll test if after submitting the form, if our tag is firing successfully and it is sending the event to GA4. So to check this, we need to go to preview. We need to do preview of GTM. So click on the preview button and go to preview mode. So when we are in the preview mode, our event listener has fired here. Okay, so now it will listen if this event listener will listen if our form is submitted or not. So let's fill up the form and let's submit it. Our form has submitted successfully. You can see the success message here. Let's go back to your preview, and you can see there is an event and our tag has successfully fired on this event. Now I'll check in the GA4 if our event has been sent to GA4. To check the GA4, go to your GA4 account, and you need to go to debug view. To go to debug view, just click on the admin and scroll down, and under the display data display section, just select this debug view. So here you can see our HubSpot form submitted event has come here successfully. If we click on it, you will see our form ID here. You can see our event has come here in the GA4 successfully, and we have successfully tracked our form, HubSpot form submission. So I hope it helps you, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.